this video, subscribe, please. Subscribe. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
We only need 5 kids in our class. Now, her crew mom did the best that she could, but I guarantee you it was me, Deanna, her, and the few other good parents that I know that were the only ones that gave money.
Please study at home.
You know?
Yeah, that's part of the problem with society. For a generation, usually. Their kids that are going to school now, when they grow up, will probably be a lot better.
Yeah, but why does it always have to be the same 5 or 6 parents that are doing the job of everything? It's not fair.
Even the same conversation. Parents are the ones that are paying their groceries, paying their housing, paying their utilities, all while they're working illegally off the grid, and all the money back to them.
Okay. So now I'm gonna be tumbling. Hopefully you like this video. Subscribe and bye.